Hi, I'm Mr. Howie. I'm an art teacher at Woodlands Secondary School. Today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful artworks just by using lines. Alright, this is called Zentangle. By creating different lines, shapes, you can come up with a variety of designs for your artwork. I'm going to show you just by connecting some lines. So there's no right or wrong to your design, right? And let your creativity flow. So basically it's just to fill up the white space with lines and patterns. Right, it's quite therapeutic if you do this at home. You can relieve some of your stress. All right, and you can just fold it to form a cube box. Right, so this is a finished product. You want to give it a try at home. Okay, it's very therapeutic. That's it for now. Okay, bye.